Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most futuristic and talked about luxury motorhomes of 2026, a concept that looks like it has come straight out of the future, combining supercar DNA with ultra-premium RV engineering. This 2026 Porsche-inspired luxury motorhome is designed for people who want extreme road presence, cutting-edge technology, and 5-star living on wheels. From the moment you see it, this motorhome makes a bold statement that this is not an ordinary recreational vehicle. Starting with the exterior, the design is absolutely breathtaking. The front fascia clearly takes inspiration from Porsche's iconic design language, with a smooth aerodynamic nose, aggressive LED lighting signatures, and a glossy black grille area that carries the Porsche badge styling. The body is finished in a deep emerald green shade with black accents and subtle gold highlights, giving it a premium, almost concept car feel. The multi-axle setup with 3 rear axles not only looks powerful but also improves stability and weight distribution, especially for long highway cruising. The massive gold-finished alloy wheels add a luxury touch while reinforcing the idea that this motorhome is built for elite buyers. Integrated LED strips along the lower body enhance nighttime visibility and give it a dramatic road presence. The side profile is clean and futuristic, with flush windows, smooth body lines, and a powered side staircase that folds out seamlessly, making entry both stylish and practical. Moving towards the rear and side sections, the attention to detail continues. The windows are large and tinted, providing privacy while allowing plenty of natural light inside. The overall height and width make it clear this motorhome is designed for spacious living rather than compact travel. Advanced exterior cameras replace traditional mirrors, improving aerodynamics and safety. This is a motorhome that looks equally at home in a luxury auto show or cruising down an open highway. Now let's step inside, where the real magic begins. The interior of this 2026 luxury motorhome feels more like a high-end penthouse than a vehicle. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes dominate the cabin. The dashboard is fully digital, inspired by Porsche sports cars, featuring a wide curved display that integrates navigation, vehicle data, entertainment, and camera views. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, customizable in multiple colors to match your mood during day or night travel. The seating area is designed for maximum comfort, with plush reclining seats that offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The living space is open and airy, thanks to a smart layout and panoramic windows. The kitchen area is fully equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, large refrigerator, and premium storage solutions. Countertops are finished in high-quality stone or composite materials, giving the kitchen a luxury apartment feel. Moving further inside, the bedroom area is equally impressive. A king-size bed with premium mattress, soft LED lighting, and sound insulation ensures restful sleep even on long journeys. Storage cabinets are cleverly integrated into the walls, maximizing space without clutter. The bathroom is finished with hotel-level fittings, featuring a rainfall shower, modern sink, high-end toilet system, and elegant lighting. Every inch of the interior reflects comfort, privacy, and premium craftsmanship. When it comes to performance, this 2026 motorhome is not just about luxury, it is also about power and control. It is expected to be powered by a high-performance hybrid or advanced diesel-electric drivetrain, delivering strong torque for smooth acceleration despite its massive size. The multi-axle configuration improves handling, stability, and braking, especially at highway speeds. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on different road conditions, while advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make driving this large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Noise insulation is excellent, keeping the cabin quiet and comfortable even at higher speeds. Finally, let's talk about pricing. As expected, this level of luxury and engineering does not come cheap. The estimated starting price for this 2026 Porsche-inspired luxury motorhome is expected to be in the range of $1.2 million to $1.8 million, depending on customization options, interior materials, and technology packages. Fully loaded versions with bespoke interiors and advanced performance upgrades could easily cross the $2 million mark. This motorhome is clearly targeted at elite buyers, celebrities, business executives, and luxury travel enthusiasts who want the ultimate mobile lifestyle. In conclusion, this 2026 luxury motorhome redefines what is possible in the world of recreational vehicles. With its futuristic exterior, ultra-premium interior, powerful performance, and exclusive pricing, it stands as a symbol of innovation and luxury on wheels. If you are someone who wants to travel without compromising comfort, style, or performance, this motorhome sets a new benchmark for the future of luxury road travel. Stay tuned to MH Car Review for more exclusive car and motorhome reviews like this.